1.83 kilometers so far. Weather's good. 50 mile. Let's go. Actual first loop. 16 kilometers. 10 miles. Stopping on my car to refill. I got some goodies here. Alright, what do I got here? And some Martin gel, biofreeze, all this shit. You have to have with you. You're running. Coconut water. Alright, so the starting point there. Felt good so far. 4 more loops to go. Alright, 2 loops done. Starting point is over there. Gonna refuel. Pain is about 40% or more. Oh, fuck. 3 more to go. I feel good though. I think sleep was definitely a big help. I can certainly push it more. We'll see. Like, I know I can do 1 more lap, but we'll see what happens after that. But be right back. Loop 3. It is 12:54 p.m. 47 something kilometers. Fuck. My calves, my muscles, everything are so tight. That's what he said. Fuck. 2 more to go. I know I got this. Yeah, I know I do. Alright. Time to refuel. Stop by at the Edge Station, starting point, and another lap to go. So 40 miles. Fuck. 1 more lap to go. 64 kilometers. Fuck, man. My knees are... You know what? Fuck that shit. Fuck that bullshit. I only got 1 more lap to go. Oh, fuck. Good thing I froze them last night. They're so cold. Shit. You know what really helped me for this race? Getting knocked out by melatonin. Got good night's sleep, but still, it's not an easy race. I need to apply some biofreeze. Energy wise, I ate a lot of pastas and meatballs last night, and I went to bed early, so that really helped tremendously. But I'm on my last lap, so it's 3:11, 5:30. Gonna finish it. I'm gonna walk it off here and there, but I think 5:30 is when I'll finish it. All right, time to refuel. This is it. Last stretch. 50 miles. Fuck yeah. The longest fucking run I've ever did in my life. It's happening today. like literally right there. Yeah.